Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I will be unboxing and reviewing this 24-inch straight headband wig from Hairsmarket. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, I'd like to say that this packaging is so cute. The little bag, I haven't seen a company do that before. It's cute. It's cute. I like it. Here's the box, and on the back it just has the care instructions. Of course, I got a 24-inch straight headband wig. Y'all know I'm literally stocking up on my headband wig. I'm trying to have every style, every curl pattern, okay? Because whenever I go back to school, I want it to look like I'm trying when I'm not trying, okay? That's the point of a headband wig, okay? And if I'm too lazy, I can use the headband to cover my edges. Oh, and it's a perfect thing for working out because who gotta worry about the edges? You just pull the headband down, period. When you open it, they give you this cute headband. It's really pretty, like tropical print. They give you these lashes. They give you wig caps, of course, and then they give you a like pamphlet with more information on it. This looks like that. Of course, I'm gonna have to run my straightener through it real quick, but that's fine. Super long. Y'all know I love my wigs to be long. All right, I'm gonna go in with my Murray's and lay down these edges of mine. Okay, I'm gonna tie down my hair while I wait. Period. All right, you guys, this is the final look. I threw on a different headband and a dress, make myself, you know, look nice or whatever, and this is how it came out. Y'all, I'm in love with this wig. I don't know, it's something about straight hair that just makes it look a lot sleeker. Like, I don't know what it is. Yeah, I laid my edges down with Murray's. I flat ironed the hair to just get it as straight and as sleek as possible. I didn't use any product in the hair whatsoever. If you did want it to make it even more sleek, which I really don't even think it's necessary, I think this is the perfect amount, then you can use the Chi Silk Infusion, and that will help you achieve an even sleeker look. So yeah, other than that, I have nothing bad to say. All right, this is their straight headband wig. This is 150% density, and the one I got is in 24 inches. Baby, get into it. Y'all know I love my hair long. It's in its natural color, so it can be dyed or bleached or whatever you want to do to it. I'm kind of thinking about putting highlights in it, but at the same time I just want to leave it, you know, simple, plain black, because I really like how it looks, so much so that I want to get a straight sewing now. Yeah, this is perfect. This is everything. But yeah, that is the end of this video. This is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social media. They'll be in the description box down below. That is all for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Psych.